So, Rani, here we have another question from our viewer who is saying after an I-140 approval with a recent priority date and securing a job, when is the appropriate time to apply for the I-765 employment authorization? Also, are there any additional steps required before applying?
So, what's important is the priority date and comparing it to the Visa Bulletin based on your country of nationality.
Mhm.
And if you check and determine that your priority date is current as for the current month's Visa Bulletin, then you can file for adjustment of status and employment authorization only at that time together. You cannot file an employment authorization independent of the adjustment of status application. However, there is a special category for special consideration for your employment authorization only if your I-140 has been pending for a few years and you have an emergency situation where your H-1B has not been authorized or has terminated and there's a loss of job, then you can apply for a special employment authorization under the special circumstances position with the USCIS. You'd have to provide the documentation as to why it's urgent, what transpired, and that's the special consideration and condition under which you can apply for employment authorization.
All right. Thank you so much, Rani, for such an insightful answer.
Thank you.
You know why I'm vacationing in Dubai right now? Because I stopped drowning in RFEs, intake calls, and late night filings. I used to hire freelancers who barely knew what a G28 was. Total chaos. Then I found IMI Support, virtual immigration paralegals trained in real case prep, DocketWise, and USCIS workflows. Now my calendar's clean, my clients are happy, and my firm runs while I relax. You can hustle or you can outsource smart. I chose freedom. I chose IMI Support.